And today I'm riding the Kawasaki 400 again. I have changed out the clutch cable. The clutch was the one thing that was slipping because of the clutch cable was not lubricated and it was gunked up. So slipping now. I'm just taking a short ride to check out the clutch and the new clutch cable I installed, so I think it's fine now. It's pretty good. It's much more responsive, the bike now, after I freed up the timing advancement. I'm going back to the garage again to adjust the gear lever. I placed it one notch too low, so when I put it in first gear, sometimes it jumps out again, so I have to adjust it one click up. But that's all. It's only 400 cc, so it's not a large capacity bike, so it's only 42 horsepower. So after a short little pit stop at the garage, I'm on the move again. It seems to do the trick there, taking up one click on the splines on the gears lever. So there's some small rain clouds. I can manage that. I'm putting this bike for sale for 12,000 Danish crowns. So, and if you're not gonna sell for that, I'm just gonna keep it. I love this bike. It's different to ride on. There are some real nice beaches in Denmark. There's a couple of bikes. I think this bike has some class. It's the styling, it's the old school vibe. I don't know, something about it. I like it. There you see, there's the rain. Like I said before, there's 70, the broadcast said 70% chance for downfall, so maybe we'll be heading home before the rain comes. That may be a better thing to do. But now I can say the bike is ready for sale. Maybe a wash will benefit the sale a little bit. I'll see this joker here. Keep it on the right. And this is third gear, I think. There's a lot of people down here with the fish house. Oh, people fishing as well. Nice to see people out after 2 years of lockdown with COVID-19. It's nice to get out, see people. And people are just enjoying themselves, so. We'll take the long ride. Couple of bikes. Oh Jesus. And a couple of horsepower more for those old geezers. So Denmark got a lot of beaches. You can say all the way around Denmark. It's one big beach. Nobody go in the water. Rigtig. I don't understand why it's just bloody hard for people to be in your own lane between the side and the mid white stripes. How is it too hard? I think people is just driving with their heads under the arms or up the ass, I don't know which one it is. It's maybe the same people that are wondering why all those accidents in Denmark, car accidents. Maybe the same people. Can I pull it up in sixth gear? Oh yeah, I can. Nice Kawasaki. You're a good bike. Oh yeah. You're a nice bike. Oh, little Kawasaki, you're just happy because you're on the road again after so many years in a shed. You're just jumping with joy. Comes. I'm in luck. I'm about 500 meters from my garage, so I don't care. A little water I can take. I don't think I'm gonna melt.